Well, that's useless. Hold on. Oh, okay. Go ahead.
It don't spin. Oh, it's blue.
Spin it forward.
So open this. Somebody else spin that rear wheel forward too. We get them both spinning.
There we go.
There we go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You see it now.
That's all the bit.
So it's all bent.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can.
Oh, it's sitting down.
Shit. Oh, Dad said I hit the passenger or driver corner.
Told you did. It's gonna match the passenger door.
But I mean, nonetheless,
You
we
can,
did hear it.
You can call Blake and G to get one of his fucking
Blake and
Band-Aids.
G, can you come pick him up?
Can we have a Band-Aid, please? Actually, send us 2 Band-Aids. We fix the other
We
side.
got one for the other side.
I did not see that.
I forgot about the scratch.
How bad was the drop down?
I seen the other side. I did not know he tapped the driver's side.
It's just a little tap tap.
It's a little tap.
A little tap.
I didn't know you got this side.
Why don't you tap it? Just tap
Look,
it.
I was sick. Just told you I was gonna buy this thing. And I was like, oh.
Do nothing. All you
Give
did
it a
was
little
shoot
tap, man.
That side wasn't that bad.
Oh my god.
Did you do that today?
Yeah. he said, oh, you scratched your corner.
No.
And I was like, oh, okay, I don't care.
Actually, I said, don't come up this way. I said, you need to come over here. And you went on and went that way. And I said, now you just hit the fucking rear quarter panel.
It's his birthday, so you better listen to him.
Oh my god.
You know what?
That's why I didn't see it on the Copter Code right.
That's
Just
right.
did it
Just
today.
did it today.
Oh my god.
Tell Matt you need an extra large Band-Aid.
Hey, Dad, give it a kiss to make it better.
No, that's not.
That'll buff right out.
No,
It'll
it
buff
won't. No, it.
It'll buff
Oh.
Stop peeling the paint off. It'll buff right out.
What? Oh my god.
Yeah, that's going
Dude.
Oh, yeah.
Dude. Damage report. I win the damage card. Oh my god. Like I was pissed about the drive shaft.
Hey,
Like I was pissed, but I was like, it happens. It happens. When I saw the damage to the quarter panel, I'm having a hard time dealing with this. I'm having a hard time right now.
It was in the red here.
10 or 15.
Yeah. 6 is a happy place. It really is. Did you break anything? Yeah, when you got up on that rock, you were literally hanging on your steering. That's why the bottom of the steering's got so many scratches now. That's fine. Oh, you did put a dent in it. Oh no. Yeah. No, that's factory. But see, that's why we need aftermarket.
All right, so you're gonna drive it home. I need
Hell-
to step.
My drive shaft is doing this.
It's his birthday and he wants to be doing this.
I need to step. I got a hot tub I'm gonna jump into and finish watching the ball game.
Well, we're just gonna leave this thing here because
What do you want to do?
I'm gonna leave it here.
All right.
That drive shaft is screwed.
All right. Well, let's close the door.
So it was a quarter panel.
What you in a hurry for, Richard?
I gotta get home.
Got hot back with hot tub.
No. Climb up this hill. It'll be fun. Yeah, you know, put the lockers on. Oh yeah, it looks cool. Just, yeah.
Hot night on the hot.
Maybe dry.
Hot tub.
All right, it's hot tub time machine. I'm going back to run that for at least a year.
Vince said something about the driver's side. Drip. Why?
So yeah,
Really?
I saw that happen.
Really?
It caught a tree.
Well, for fuck's sake, dude. Are you fucking kidding me? You know what? You know what? Ha! 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 Except for that part. Easily fixable. I don't think you got any damage. You didn't do anything to get damage.
Damage?
Yeah.
Hell no.
Your steering's a sad face right now.
Hey, man. You drive straight.
Oh, look at this skid plate. Jesus. Good God.
Been in a lot of rocks.
Jesus.
I got a new front bumper about to go on it, and then I have all new metal front skids going on it.
Metal Cloak, you're going the extra mile.
Electronics. He said he's got electronics.
So did you break anything?
No,
All do good?
everything's good.
How'd it feel getting up on the gas and hitting that supercharger?
It does, like I said, it does superb manual shift. And when you're in low range, in four-wheel low, and you're in like first and second gear, of course it hits the power band at 2,500, 3,000 watts a unit, almost right off the bat. So it's up and going.
Did you scratch anything?
Nope. Didn't hurt a thing.
So I got the most damage. Doesn't that suck? How'd your bump stops do?
Fine.
How'd it feel?
Couldn't even tell.
Really?
Yeah, because I tried
That's the Metal Cloak air bump stuff. That's good stuff.
I tried to hit the big bump and with the sway bar disconnect and try to get it up high, and it just rode up there about 3 inches, 2 to 3 inches below the front fender, and went on. There was no beating it, no rubbing it, no eating the inner fender up on it. So when I go 40s, that should be good.
Send it.
Go all the way to the top. See if you can crawl it first. If you can't, then you can back up and bump it. If you can crawl it.
Hey,
All right, back up to
coming up like
8
that.
inches.
Give the tires an opportunity to bite.
Right there.